Hi, welcome back, our dear viewers. Today, we will talk about different types of food grown on farms. Crops are plants that are cultivated by farmers for various purposes, such as food, feed, fiber, oil, ornamental, or industrial use. There are many types of crops that are grown in different regions and seasons of the world, such as vegetables like carrots, herbs like mint, nuts like almonds, spices like cinnamon, flowers like roses, mushrooms like shiitake, honey from bees, and more. Here are some examples of the common crops within each group. Number 1. Cereal crops. These are crops that produce grains that are rich in carbohydrates and can be used for food, animal feed, or other purposes. Some of the most popular cereal crops are wheat, corn, rice, barley, and millet. Number 2. Seed crops. These are crops that produce edible seeds that are rich in healthy fats and can be used for food, oil, and other purposes. Some of the most popular seed crops are soybean, sunflower, canola, peanut, and coconut. Number 3. Pulse crops. These are crops that produce legumes that are rich in protein and can be used for food or animal feed. Some of the most popular pulse crops are peas, beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Number 4. Fruit crops. These are crops that produce fruits that are high in vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates and can be used for fresh eating, juicing, canning, or drying. Some of the most popular fruit crops are apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, and mangoes. Number 5. Vegetable crops. These are crops that produce vegetables that are high in fiber, vitamin, and minerals and can be used for fresh eating, cooking, or preserving. Some of the most popular vegetable crops are potatoes, carrots, lettuce, tomatoes, and broccoli. Number 6. Herb and spice crops. These are crops that produce herbs and spices that are used for flavoring, seasoning, or medicinal purposes. Some of the most popular herb and spice crops are mint, basil, oregano, cinnamon, and black pepper. Number 7. Feed crops. These are crops that are grown for animal feed, primarily for livestock. These crops provide nutrients and energy for the animals that we eat or use for other purposes. Some of the most popular feed crops are alfalfa, clover, grasses, and fodder beet. Number 8. Fiber crops. These are crops that produce fibers that can be used for textiles, ropes, or fillers. These fibers are strong and durable and can be used for clothes, bedding, or household items. Some of the most popular fiber crops are cotton and canaf. Next time, do visit a farm and see yourself and learn something from a farmer. You will be amazed by how these crops are grown. I hope you enjoyed this video on farm food. See you in another episode. Have a wonderful day.